Hello everybody, my name is Michael Peterson. I'd like to introduce myself to you and explain why I've done my YouTube channel here. My YouTube channel is all about my painted layered glass sculptures. And I've divided it into a few different, what they call playlists on different things. One, I've got playlists that is time-lapse videos that show the whole entire process of putting together and creating a layered glass sculpture and what I go through, and it's showing the whole thing very high speed. Another playlist that I have is project videos. And these project videos take a project from start till finish, and I explain what I do and why I do it, and so that the viewer can understand why it is I do what I do. Now let's have a little bit of fun here. Let's take this lamp, rather than the sculpture, let's take this lamp and we're going to position it clear to the front and up high. Let's pretend we have like something coming from the ceiling. Notice that the color is good, that the depth perception is good, and it really gives it a 3D effect. And another playlist is my personal playlist. This is basically to get you to know me as an artist and as a person. Hello everybody, Michael Peterson here, and I wanted to take some time to share just a little something that was really kind of special to me. I'd like to ask you if you would please do me a favor. If you like what you see, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And also down below the video here, also hit the thumbs up, which gives a like, so that I will know if my videos are coming across the way I would like them to. And also in the comment section down below the videos here, please leave your comments, because in leaving these comments, this is how I find out how I can improve my videos and how I can, the different subjects you might want me to cover. And it really helps me to improve my channel. And so without any more hesitation, thank you very much. I appreciate you watching, and take care. Bye-bye.